दोस्तों, आज के वीडियो में हम SolidWork कमांड के बारे में जानेंगे, जिसका इस्तेमाल हम ड्राइंग बनाने के लिए करते हैं। तो आगे बढ़ते हैं हमारे आज के वीडियो की तरफ। नमस्कार दोस्तों, मेरा नाम है आनंद और आप देख रहे हैं मैकेनिकल सॉल्यूशंस। चलिए शुरू करते हैं।
First click on New Table. Then select Part. Press OK. To sketch any part, we need to select Plane. Choose Plane and right-click on it. Select Sketch. Now to draw a line. There are three types of line. First line to draw a straight line. Second center line to draw a line in middle of the object and mark as a center line. And third is a midpoint line to draw a line from the object, a midpoint.
There are 5 types of rectangles. First corner rectangle, second center rectangle, third 3-point corner rectangle, fourth 3-point center rectangle, and last 5th one is a parallelogram. To draw a corner rectangle, choose a plane. Now click on corner rectangle and click on first corner, then second corner. To draw center rectangle, after selecting the plane, select center rectangle command and choose the center point to draw the rectangle. We can give the dimensions also with the smart dimension. Now to draw 3-point corner rectangle, select this command. Select this first corner and then second corner for width and third corner for rectangle length. To draw a 3-point center rectangle, select this first corner, then second corner, third corner as 3-point corner rectangle. To draw parallelogram, select first corner. Select second corner and then third corner as 3-point corner rectangle and 3-point center rectangle to third corner. We can also give some degree as required. Parallelogram, both sides and the opposite angles are equal. आज के लिए बस इतना ही। नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम और भी SolidWork की कमांड के बारे में जानेंगे। Please subscribe our channel Mechanical Solutions for more interesting videos.